Welcome back to my craft to build series. Today I'm going to show you how I designed the rear cabinets for the crafter using 80-20 extrusion. So let's get to it. Okay, so what we're going to do here is show off how I tend to use 80-20 aluminium extrusion to build out my crafter. So this is 3D Builder, and I've been working with it, trying to design all the cabinets and layout of the van. So what I've come up with so far is basically this is the back area, not including the wheel humps. So this will be my galley. Basically it'll have a area for a fridge which goes in there, and that's the sink. And I have a little pull-out pantry. That's what this will be. So that'll be a pull-out pantry with a few shelves. Be able to hang some baskets of stuff in there and containers. And these will be just two drawers, a cutlery drawer to keep all the utensils and stuff in, and then probably a deeper drawer here for pots and pans and plates and things will go in that drawer there. Now that's about where it'll go. So this is the front of the van here, and our second cabinet is located, or supposed to be located, about there, give or take. Alright, so this one will have two drawers. One opens into the van itself. Not sure what'll go in that, but maybe a gas cooker or I don't know, not sure. Whatever goes in that. And this one will have an outdoor gas cooker so that you can open the sliding door and use the gas cooker outside. Top section here will have a microwave in it. And then the back of this, which is behind the passenger seat, has a space to put electronics. So I'm probably going to mount my inverter or something in there just to get it up off the floor. Currently it's mounted to the back of the passenger seat box. So we'll probably move the inverter up into here and just have the DC charging stuff down in the near the batteries. Okay, so that's the two cabinets. It leaves a space in the middle here to be able to walk through to the front of the van into the driving area. And this is the system I've come up with for my bed or beds. So there'll be one of these on either side. Basically it's a fold down bed. These are supposed to be over here. It'll have a cabinet at the front to store stuff, and a little tool cabinet area at the back with two shelves or two drawers. Haven't decided yet what goes in that one. So I'll just move this over to where it's supposed to be. Okay, so that goes, whoops. Yep, that goes there, right? And so obviously your wheel arch is in this area here. Now the way the bed works is this is basically a cut down king single, so it's cut down widthwise slightly, but it's still the full 2 meters 30 long. So the way the bed works is these little legs will fold down, and then the whole bed simply folds down onto the floor like so, and then your mattress, your mattress comes down and like that. So there you go, there's one of those on either side. This one over here, sort of a bit deconstructed, but basically, yeah, that sits on there, and bring it back over this way. It sits there, almost. About there, close enough. Now what this does is obviously gives you two areas you can still sit if you wish, or when they're folded up, so you fold this side up and then the legs will fold down. Same with this side, fold him up and fold the legs down. Alright, that gives us a nice open area in the center to fit motorcycle. Okay, so basically, yep, motorbike will come in here. Oop, comes in here. The front wheel does protrude past the drawers, unfortunately, but there's no way of getting around that. But at least I can still get to the fridge, which will be in here. I can still get to the food in there, and other than that, the drawers won't be able to be opened whilst the bike's there. But what you will be able to do is still fold the bed down, even with the bike in place. So I'm going to do the legs first. Don't have to do the legs first in real life, it's just this program. In order to everything to swing properly, just got to do the legs first. So yeah, you'll still be able to fold the bed down and have access to sleeping quarters with the bike in place, right? Now I have made this so that it is possible to actually fit two bikes in here, two big bikes, just. Alright, so this is one bike, as you can see. If we get a second one, and it goes in backwards, the little green things there are representing the foot pegs. So if that goes in backwards, we get him right over there. It will actually fit backwards. So believe it or not, it may well be possible to fit two bikes in there. Don't know yet until I try it. It may not, but the best thing is I can get one bike in there and still be able to fold the sleeping quarters down on one side and not have to pull the bike out of the van when I have to get a bed. I was going to look at doing a top-down bed that comes down over the back of the seat here, but there's not enough clearance to get in there. So I had to revert plans back to this, and hopefully that'll all work for me. Now I chose 80/20 because now I'm plenty capable of making all this out of timber. But I chose 80/20 mainly because of this whole bed structure thing. Being able to get nice hinges and nice folding action will be expensive. To give you an idea, I've priced up the cabinets here, the two front cabinets alone. Will come to somewhere around probably around $1,500 to build, maybe a bit more, these two front cabinets. The bed area will be most likely about the same. There's not quite as many brackets and things on the beds, because that's where it blows out all your costs actually blow out. The extrusion itself isn't all that dear. It's all the brackets and T-nuts and things that go to putting it all together, where the price seems to blow out. Anyway, I'll give you a bit of an idea of what the plan is, and I'll probably make the galley cabinet first. That one alone will be about $1,000, and that's not including the sink or the fridge, by the way. That's just the framework here, and then you still got to put timber, a couple of timber panels, one on each end here, and then the drawer fronts will have their own panels in them. But yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching.